Hello students, today we are discuss the new topic in pathophysiology. It's your anemia. Okay, what is the meaning of anemia? Simply the decrease the RBC counting than the normal. This concept is called as anemia. This concept is called as anemia. Because of anemia, the person which having suffering the lots of problem. Because of the anemia, the oxygen carry capacity is also decreases. Ischemic condition is also occurring in there. Okay, if hemoglobin level as well as RBC level जैसे आपका decrease होता है, you making lots of problem in case also the breathing. Okay, breathing difficulties also producing in there. Okay, hypoxia is also producing in there, and you very well known about it, the how the hypoxia is working there. Okay, what is the disadvantages of your the hypoxia and ischemia? That's one of the hypoxia occurring. The one of the also reason is your the anemia. Anemia means the decrease level of your RBC. It's called as anemia. The anemia the cause the various diseases or various conditions. The lots of etiology of your the anemia. Okay, in that the case of the menstrual cycle, the various the loss of your the blood, it's also the chances of anemia. Some the bone marrow disease. Okay, you very well known about it, the RBC is a formation of your the bone marrow in liver. इरिथ्रोपोइटिक प्रोसेस होती है, वहाँ से आरबीसी फॉर्मेशन होती है. यदि इरिथ्रोपोइटिक प्रोसेस नहीं होंगी, देयर इज ऑल्सो द reduction as well, there is a stop the formation of your the RBCs. Okay, and simultaneously the death of RBCs that takes place. There is a near about per minute 2.5 lakh cells are dead there. 2.5 lakh cells are dead there particularly. Okay, this is a very critical condition, anemia. It's a very critical condition or anemia. The anemia is a major killer in India. In our region, the Dadagaon, in the region of your the Dadagaon, here is your the form of the very higher amount of anemia. Very higher amount of anemia. Okay, in that the particularly one of the every 5 maternal death is directly due to the anemia. At a time of the pregnancy, means anemia is affected into the both. It's not physically depend on it. The both male and female both are the highly affected in anemia. Okay, but in case of the female, the menstrual cycle is occurring there. There the loss of your the blood, and there is a higher chances of occurring a anemia. Okay, we discussing in one by one what is the introductory part of the anemia. Anemia is a major killer in India. Definitely the higher amount of death is occurring because of the anemia. The static reveal that the every second Indian woman is anemia. Okay, according to the statistically, the particularly every second the Indian woman is a cause the anemia. One is a every few maternal death is a directly due to the anemia. It's a directly due to the anemia. Definitely anemia के वजह से in India the major killing. Okay, and this particularly every second in Indian woman is a causing by the anemia condition, suffering from the anemic condition. Anemia is affect both adult and children. Anemia is affect both adult and children of both sex. Of both sex. Although the pregnant woman and the adolescent girl are the most susceptible and the most affected by this disease. Most affected by this disease particularly, it's your the anemia. Okay, the next one in that the particularly the objectives and of anemia, whatever we study in there, the particular definition of anemia. In this chapter we discussing also the classification of anemia, what is the causative agent and etiology of anemia, symptoms of anemia, the investigation of your anemia, treatment and prevention of anemia. Okay, we discussing in there particularly. The first of all, what is the meaning of anemia? Anemia is your N means without, emia means blood. Okay, anemia is a decrease in RBC count, hemoglobin and hematocrit's value, resulting the lower ability for the blood to carry oxygen to the body tissue. oxygen to the body tissue. It's a simply, according to the local language, is a called anemia, means the decrease the RBC count than the normal. It's called as a anemia. It's called as anemia. Okay, and you very well known about it. The what is the function of hemoglobin? Okay, hemoglobin which having help to the carry of your the oxygen and CO2. You very well known about it. The oxygen carrying capacity is a decreases. Is a definitely causing of your the hypoxia. Okay, in cell is a clearly indicating in that the normal amount of red blood cell or anemia amount of red blood cell. There is a clearly indicating in that the lack of your the this anemic condition. Okay, the next one is your the pathophysiology. That's a normal erythropoiesis. What is the meaning of erythropoiesis? Erythropoiesis is the process at that the particularly formation of WBC. Formation of RBC. Formation of RBC, and this erythropoiesis process is mainly occurring in your liver. बोन मैरो और लीवर में हाईली अमाउंट में होती है. एक्चुअली बोन मैरो में ही होती है वो erythropoiesis, but some organ is also affecting in there. The see, this is a erythropoiesis mechanism. The red blood cell and hemoglobin molecule. ओके, लंग्स क्या करता है कि ऑक्सीजन पर्टिकुलरली कैरी करता है, और ऑक्सीजन जैसे कैरी किया तो कहाँ पे आता है आपका हीमोग्लोबिन के साथ कांटेक्ट में आता है. जैसे हीमोग्लोबिन के साथ कांटेक्ट आता है तो ऑक्सीजन विच हैविंग द फॉर्मेशन बॉन्ड विथ हीमोग्लोबिन मॉलिक्यूल्स. ऑक्सीजन क्या करता है कि हीमोग्लोबिन मॉलिक्यूल के साथ क्या करता है, बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन करता है. देन द ऑक्सीजन इज अ रिलीजेस एंड द ब्लड सेल इज अ फॉर्मेशन इन देयर पर्टिकुलरली. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज योर द इरिथ्रोपोइटिन मैकेनिज्म फॉर द रेगुलेटिंग द रेट ऑफ इरिथ्रोपोइसिस. Rate of erythropoiesis. Okay, तो नॉर्मल ब्लड ऑक्सीजन लेवल. ओके, सबसे पहले क्या है, नॉर्मल ब्लड ऑक्सीजन लेयर. ओके, देयर इज इफ द कॉजिंग ऑफ एनीमिया देयर इज योर द स्टिमुलस द हाइपोक्सिया. ओके, उसमें क्या होगा, जैसे ही आपका एनीमिया ऑकरिंग हुआ तो ऑटोमेटिकली हाइपोक्सिया ऑकर हो जाएगा ड्यू टू द डिक्रीज द आरबीसी काउंट एंड डिक्रीज द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. आरबीसी जैसे काउंट हुआ, आरबीसी जैसे डिक्रीज हुआ, वैसे ही आपका ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग कैपेसिटी क्या हो जाएगा, डिक्रीज हो जाएगा और हाइपोक्सिया ऑकर हो जाएगा. ओके, हाइपोक्सिया होने की वजह से टिश्यू का क्या हो जाएगा कि ऑक्सीजन की डिमांड बढ़ जाएंगी. टिश्यू का क्या होगा कि ऑक्सीजन की डिमांड ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ जाएंगी. ओके, देन द रिड्यूस द O2 लेवल इन ब्लड. सेकंड स्टेप में क्या होगा, रिड्यूस द O2 लेवल इन ब्लड. ओके, उसके बाद क्या करेंगे कि किडनी there is a release the some chemical substances which having involved in the erythropoietic. ओके, वो क्या करेंगा कि इरिथ्रोपोइटिन ये केमिकल रिलीज करेगा. ओके, इरिथ्रोपोइटिन क्या करेगा कि केमिकल जैसे रिलीज किया तो इरिथ्रोपोइटिन क्या करेगा, नेक्स्ट itself the stimulate in your the red bone marrow. रेड बोन मैरो में इरिथ्रोपोइटिन ये केमिकल होगा, वहाँ पे पर्टिकुलरली क्या होगा कि इरिथ्रोपोइटिन केमिकल रेड बोन मैरो में जाएगा, वहाँ से क्या होगा कि आरबीसी का फॉर्मेशन बढ़ा देगा, क्योंकि इरिथ्रोपोइटिन मीन्स सिंपली द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ब्लड. दिस केमिकल विच हैविंग यूज दिस बायोलॉजिकल फैक्टर विच हैविंग यूज टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर द आरबीसी इन योर द रेड बोन मैरो. इरिथ्रोपोइटिन आपका रेड बोन मैरो में आएगा. बोन मैरो में आने के बाद देयर इज एनहांस द इरिथ्रोपोइसिस. Erythropoiesis is the process by which the formation of your the WBC, and there is a formation more and more, sorry, not a WBC, it is a formation of your the RBC. Okay, RBC formation increase हो गया, then the particularly oxygen carrying capacity is increases and the patient will be the normal. This is the your the process of your the erythropoietin or erythropoiesis. Okay, erythropoietin is a chemical which having help to the formation of your RBC, or erythropoiesis is a process which having the formation of your the RBC. Okay, it's a clear, this is a simple mechanism of it. Then the pathology of anemia. Okay, first of all, decrease in a RCBs, hemoglobin and SCTL level means the hematocrit. The particularly SCTL level means the hematocrit level. Okay, hematocrit level is a decreases in there. Then the particularly what happen in that, the if the decreasing in your the RCB, HB, they are the automatically diminishing the O2 carry capacity, means you are the oxygen hypoxia is occurring there. Hypoxia is occurring there. Okay, simultaneously the RBC is a dropping. simultaneously RBC is a dropping, the hypoxia is a induces, and this hypoxia which having the effect of your the organ function, affect in your the organ function, and there is your sign and symptoms of anemia is showing there. Sign and symptom of anemia is showing there. The next one in there, the normal value of your the RBC, red blood cells. Okay, in men it's your the more than 30 gram per dl, women more than 12 gram per dl, in pregnant women more than 11 gram per dl, infant 2 to 6 months more than 9.5 gram per dl, children from 6 to 2 year it's a more than 10.5 gram per dl, 2 year to 11 year more than 11.5 gram per dl, or children from the 12 year it's a more than the 12 gram per dl. That is your the normal range of your the RBC. Then the next one is your the classification of anemias. Classification of anemias. The classification of anemia on the basis of two way. Okay, first one on the basis of the etiology or causes, or second one on the basis of morphology. On the basis of morphology, there is a categorized into the two way. Okay, first one on the basis of your the causes, there are categorized into the three types. First one is your the blood loss, second one inadequate production of normal blood cell, or excessive destruction of your the ब्लड सेल. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू द पॉजिटिव एजेंट. ओके, एक ब्लड लॉस की वजह से एनीमिया हो रहा है. सेकंड वन इनएडिक्वेट और इनडेफिनेट प्रोडक्शन ऑफ योर द आरबीसी, दैट्स अ सेकंड रीजन. एंड थर्ड वन एक्सेसिव डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ योर द ब्लड सेल. दिस इज अ थ्री reason. Because of these three reason is a cause the anemia. Next one on the basis of morphology. Okay, on the basis of morphology, first the normocytic, second one is your the microcytic, and third one is your the macrocytic. Okay, macrocytic. See the type of anemia based on the clinical picture. That's one of the important types of this anemia. सबसे important types है ये anemia के, यही एग्जाम में भी राइट डाउन करना है आपको. ओके, ऑन द टाइप ऑफ अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लिनिकल पिक्चर, द एनीमिया इज कैटेगराइज इनटू द 7 टाइप्स. फर्स्ट वन इज योर द आयरन डिफिशियंसी एनीमिया, सेकंड वन मेगालोब्लास्टिक एनीमिया, थर्ड वन पर्निशियस एनीमिया, फोर्थ वन हेमोरेजिक एनीमिया, फिफ्थ वन सिक्स वन hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia is categorized into the 2 types. The thalassemia means the decrease the WBC, and sickle cell anemia. In our region, the sickle cell anemia is a very widely occurring here. That's the main domain in Dhadgaon region. And next one is your aplastic anemia. Okay, aplastic anemia. We discussing in that the one by one what is a, that is a your 6 type of anemia. We discuss one by one. The first one is your the iron deficiency anemia. Okay, is a name indicating in that the because of the deficiency of iron, it's a reduce the RBC count. Okay, reduce the RBC count, and this is a iron deficiency anemia is a maximally occur in your woman, because in woman the natural process is occurring there. The name of this natural process is your the menstruum cycle, or in that the menstruum cycle the heavy blood loss in there particularly. Okay, because of the higher chances occurring the iron deficiency anemia. See the excessive loss of iron. Excessive loss of iron, the women are at a risk for the menstrual blood and the growing fetus. Growing fetus. जो पेशेंट आयरन डिफिशियंसी से सफ़र करता हो, मेंस्ट्रुअम साइकिल में एक्सेसिव ब्लड लॉस होने के चांसेस इंक्रीज रहते हैं, और बेबी अडप्ट प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम इट्स अ वेरी हायर रिस्क टू वुमन. सेकंड वन इज योर द मेगालोब्लास्टिक एनीमिया. Megaloblastic anemia is your the vitamin B12 or folic acid deficiency. Vitamin B12 means the cyanocobalamin and the folic acid intake deficiency. Okay, megaloblastic anemia, the less intake of vitamin B12 and folic acid. less intake of vitamin B12 and folic acid, the red bone marrow produce the abnormal RCB, the example of your the cancer drug. Cancer drug, okay, because of the cancer drug, the particularly bone marrow doesn't synthesis of proper RBC, and because of it the megaloblastic anemia is producing in there. The third one is your the pernicious anemia. Okay, pernicious anemia, inability of stomach to absorb the vitamin B12 in a small intestine. इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. पर्नीसियस एनीमिया में क्या होता है पर्टिकुलरली पता है कि आपको, कि जो विटामिन B12 आप टेक कर रहे हो वो क्या होता है कि स्टमक आपका एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द पर्नीशियस एनीमिया इज ऑकरिंग देयर. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर द हेमोरेजिक एनीमिया. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर द हेमोरेजिक anemia. Okay, the hemorrhagic anemia is the excessive loss of RBC through bleeding, stomach ulcer and menstruations. Okay, hemorrhage means what is related to the blood. It's a loss of blood in the bleeding, in stomach ulcer or menstrual cycle. Because of it, the excessive loss of your the RBC, and there is your the hemorrhagic anemia is producing in there. Okay, or also the hemolytic anemia. It's also the hemolytic anemia. In that the RBC plasma membrane rupture. जो RBC का प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है वही रप्चर हो जाता है. RBC is a totally weak, and there is your the hemolytic anemia is occurring there. Hemo means blood cell, lytic means breakdown. ब्लड सेल आपकी ब्रेकडाउन हो रही है, RBC आपकी ब्रेकडाउन हो रही है, और बिकॉज ऑफ इट इट्स कॉज द एनीमिया. ओके, जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है, वही आपका क्या हो जा रहा है कि ब्रेक हो जा रहा है. वही प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन आपका क्या हो जा रहा है कि ब्रेक हो जा रहा है. उसके वजह से पर्टिकुलरली आपको मतलब पेशेंट को एनीमिया ऑकर हो जा रहा है. ओके, मे बी ड्यू टू द पैरासाइट्स, टॉक्सिन, एंटीबॉडीज. ओके, पैरासाइट से भी हो सकता है वो, RBC रप्चर टॉक्सिन से भी हो सकता है, और एंटीबॉडी से भी आपका पर्टिकुलरली RBC प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन रप्चर हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर द थैलेसेमिया. थैलेसेमिया मीन्स द लेस सिंथेसिस ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन. लेस सिंथेसिस ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन फाउंड इन अ पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द मेडिटेरेनियन सी. मेडिटेरेनियन सी जहाँ पे पर्टिकुलरली वहाँ पे ये थैलेसेमिया के पेशेंट्स ज़्यादा मिलते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज योर द सिकल सेल एनीमिया. इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन एनीमिया. इट्स अ वेरी वाइडली occurring in our domain, in the region of Dadgaon. Okay, the sickle cell anemia is your the hereditary blood disorder characterized by the RBC are assumed an abnormal rigid sickle shapes. Okay, in sickle cell anemia the RBC shape is a totally changes in there. It's a sickle shape is a produced there, and hence is called as a sickle cell anemia. If the sickle shape is a producing in there, the structure of RBC or the membrane of RBC is a very weak, and there are the particularly RBC is a rupturing in there, and the death of RBC occurring in there. And because of the sickle cell shapes or sickle shapes is the help to the damaging of your the RBC. Okay, and last one is your the aplastic anemia. Aplastic anemia ये तभी होता है जब आपका बोन मैरो पूरा डिस्ट्रक्शन हो जाए. The destruction of red bone marrow, at that time the aplastic anemia is occurring there, and this is a caused by the toxin gamma radiations. Toxin and gamma radiation. Okay, ये classification हो गया हमारा in the first. Yes, then the next second one in there the particularly the types of anemia. Okay, the normocytic anemia. Okay, normochromic and normocytic anemia. Anemias of chronic disease. Hematolytic anemias means the breakdown of your the RCB, means the rupture, destruction of your the RBC. Because of it they having a cause the normochromic or normocytic anemia. Anemia of acute hemorrhage. Aplastic anemia is a basic reason in that the particularly normochromic and normocytic anemia. The second one is your the hypochromic and microcytic anemia. This including the iron deficiency anemia, thalassemia, or anemia of chronic disease. Anemia of chronic disease like is your the peptic ulcer. Okay, and the last one is your the pneumochronic macrocytic anemia. Pneumochromic macrocytic anemia, this including the vitamin B12 deficiency or folate deficiency. Okay, this means simply the megaloblastic anemia. It including the megaloblastic anemia. Okay, the see here the type of anemia: hyperchromic, okay, normochronic, and you are the hypochromic. See there, okay, it's a microcyte, normocyte, and you are the microcytes. This is a you are the type of anemia. Then next in there the particularly causes of anemia we will discuss in a next lecture. Thank you, student.